Who control the sea, control everything, said by ancient naval commander Themistocles. Jai Hind everyone, and it's Jutsu. I will choose a topic to lecturate on India's diamond necklace strategy. I will for the development topic into subpart. What is diamond necklace strategy? It involves strategic points and what are the ports are it involved and why it is important. And in the last, I will talk about the challenges and conclusion. For what is the diamond necklace strategy? Diamond necklace strategy as a step of Indian government taken by to the enhance their naval capabilities and countering the China's string of pearls theory by their making ports on the various location so that we can make a good trade route and secure a maritime order in that Indo-Pacific region. Talking about what type of ports it involved. Andaman Nicobar Island and that Chabar port in the Iran, which is the pathway to India to go to the Afghanistan or the Central Asia to do trade. And we are also making ports on Seychelles and Mauritius also so that we can make our trade route very well. I'm talking about the maritime order. We are also there like in the Quad and the Sagar initiative also making the Indo-Pacific region more secure and stable. In the Quad initiative, we have the free trade agreement of all the members in the Indo-Pacific region. In the Sagar initiative, we have includes all the countries' growth in the Indo-Pacific region. Talking about why the diamond necklace strategy is important. So talking about a point that India's trade, 90% of the trade come through the naval and the trade route by the sea. So it is very important to India to secure the Indo-Pacific region and countering the China's theory, which is string of pearls, and China's making ports like Gwadar port in Pakistan, Djibouti port, and the inner Sri Lanka port, that Hambantota port. They are the port making by China and want to counter the India. But we are also making port to counter the China's string of pearls theory so that we can have a high command on an Indo-Pacific region. I'm talking about challenges in the diamond necklace strategy. Like challenges is major challenge in this theory is that the funding of the government, because India is a 1.4 billion population, and so we have the like faces challenges to infrastructure development or the investment in that the diamond necklace strategy. Coming to the China has the better investment in that particular theory, but we have to increase our investment in that particular area. Also, the geopolitical attentiveness is also there. If we have the strong geopolitical sensitiveness in that area and includes their economy or the relationship between all the countries which are in the Indo-Pacific region, we can boost our relation and secure a maritime future. Now, talking about the conclusion, diamond necklace theory is not the theory which like counter the China's. It is India's step towards secure a maritime future or stable Indo-Pacific region. Thank you.